Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Big news in the world of smartphones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has just been unveiled, and it's packed with exciting upgrades. This beauty takes the crown as Apple's flagship, making its grand entrance at this year's September Apple event. But that's not all. The Max version comes with an exclusive enhancement, a brand new tetraprism 5x telephoto camera lens. Mark your calendars because the iPhone 15 Pro Max was announced on September 12th and became available for pre-order just 3 days later. Starting on Friday, September 22, you can snag this phone at Apple stores and select retailers. Now, let's dive into the specs. The Pro Max rocks a 6.7-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display, a step up from the 6.1-inch screen on the iPhone 15 Pro. Both models support Apple ProMotion display tech, offering a smooth 120Hz variable refresh rate and extreme dynamic range. While the display remains quite similar to last year's, there's no major design overhaul here. It's got that trusty ceramic shield, and Apple proudly calls it the toughest front display. Moving on to the build, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max feature a Grade 5 titanium body, sporting a brushed finish on the contoured edges. This shift to titanium, the same alloy used on the Mars rover, makes the Pro Max the lightest iPhone Pro Max model to date. And here's a nifty change. Those edges are slightly rounded, a departure from the flat edge design of the previous generation, giving it a more comfortable feel in hand. Apple has also reduced the bezel size on both models, claiming these new Pro models have the slimmest bezels of any iPhone ever. Now, the highlight design update, apart from the switch to USB-C, is the new Action button. This nifty button replaces the mute silent switch from the previous iPhone Pro Max. It's not just any button. It's equipped with haptic feedback and customizable actions. You can start voice memos, launch the camera, activate accessibility features, and even set shortcuts, a versatile tool for iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Thanks to pressure from EU regulators, Apple has made the transition to USB-C, which also handles charging. Of course, MagSafe accessories are still an option. Even the latest Apple EarPods have been updated to USB-C for those who prefer wired earbuds. When it comes to cameras, while Apple retains the same trio, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto, they've received significant upgrades. The main camera now boasts a 48-megapixel sensor, with a 24-megapixels default photo setting and the ability to switch between focal lengths. It supports HEIF images and ProRAW, delivering improved resolution. But the real star is the telephoto lens. The iPhone 15 Pro Max rocks a 5x optical zoom thanks to a new tetraprism design. Its telephoto lens autofocus 3D sensor shift module makes 10,000 micro adjustments per second for rock-steady photos. Night mode is now powered by a photonic engine, improving night mode portraits with the help of the Pro Max's LiDAR scanner. Portrait mode also gets a facelift, featuring smart HDR for more accurate skin tones, brighter highlights, richer midtones, and deeper shadows. And here's a fun twist. You no longer need to take portraits in portrait mode. The Photos app can transform any shot into a portrait mode photo. Video recording gets a boost, too. Now, under the hood, Apple continues its tradition by introducing the new A17 Pro chip to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. It's a game changer, being the first smartphone chipset to use a 3nm process, potentially making it the most powerful mobile processor ever. The A17 Pro consists of a 6-core CPU, a 16-core neural engine, and a 6-core GPU, all offering significant improvements in performance and energy efficiency. The GPU, in particular, promises 20% more speed than its predecessor, supporting ray tracing and more efficient performance. Apple is confident this new GPU will revolutionize mobile gaming. The console versions of Resident Evil 4 Remake, Resident Evil Village, and Assassin's Creed Mirage are set to be playable on the iPhone soon. Exciting times ahead for gaming enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned.